Almost a year since my last video. There are so many unread emails and LinkedIn silence. It's like I haven't disappeared. What on earth have I been doing? Well, a master's degree in cybersecurity has now been earned. Hi everyone, welcome back to Uniforce. Today, I want to take you on a journey to one of the most challenging yet rewarding experiences of my life. Completing a master's degree in cybersecurity at WGU University. Buckle up, because it was quite the adventure. A while back, I gained a bachelor's degree in computer science. However, technology continued to evolve and the cyber landscape is in high demand. In order to be competitive in a challenging market, I enrolled at Western Governor University. First off, why WGU? As a competency-based learning education, WGU differs from traditional classroom learning in that it focuses on mastery rather than classroom instruction. It is a self-paced program designed to be completed at your convenience. The flat rate tuition is also a hallmark innovation of the program. Renowned for its competency-based education and its updated curriculum and cutting-edge real practical skills opportunities, WGU set itself apart using three pillars of its competency base: knowledge, skill sets, and a fast pace. From day one, I know I was in for something special. As part of my education at WGU, I demonstrate what I have learned in two ways: objective assessment, performance assessment. Objective assessments are tests that are proctored by a third party. The performance assessment takes the form of presentations, papers, and projects. The person who has led and kept motivated me in this journey has been my family mentor as well as all of my instructors. The support, guidance, and motivation they have provided have been very conducive in overcoming challenges during this journey. As you can imagine, I was both excited and 3 years after entering my first class. My course instructors were professional and top-notch, and my mentor was incredibly talented. But with that came high expectations. I had to quickly adapt to the intense workload and the fast-paced learning environment. One of the highlights of my degree was definitely the hands-on project, certifications, and the challenges I faced before I passed secure software design. I truly respect all WGU graduates and those who have just started. Since I study most of the time at night, I observe the hardship to stay on track with courses while and yet still being persistent to overcome all the challenges. It is my sincere hope that you, as alumni of WGU, prospective students, will succeed in your endeavors. It is true that you are a hero and a proud owl. I worked mostly at night on everything, from ethical hacking to building secure network architecture design. One project that stood out was designing a secure hybrid cloud system for migrating merged company to Azure Cloud. It was a perfect blend of reference architecture design, zero trust, and threat mitigation skills. Of course, it was not all smooth sailing. There were times when I felt overwhelmed and questions if I could keep up, but those moments taught me resilience and the importance of asking for help. WGU has an incredible support system, from professor to fellow students, mentors, and that made all the difference. Another incredible aspect of my time at WGU was the capstone project opportunities. I got to work with some of the brightest minds in cybersecurity, tackling real-world problems. My cybersecurity graduate capstone focused on secure hybrid implementation for a merged company, and it was an eye-opening experience. Beyond academic, the sense of online community at WGU of course, is unparalleled. I joined the Cybersecurity Club and attended various conferences and workshops. These experiences not only broadened my knowledge but also allowed me to network with industry professionals. Next step I am excited about and can't wait to see me attending my commencement ceremony in Orlando. Graduating will be a bittersweet moment and it will mark the end of an incredible journey but also the beginning of a new chapter. With my degree in hand, I am excited to make a difference in the world of cybersecurity. To anyone considering a master's in cybersecurity, especially at a place like WGU, I say go for it. It's challenging, yes, but the growth and opportunities are beyond worth it. Thank you for joining me on this trip down memory lane. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. See you next time.